Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing devices so uploads happen reliably. Sign into the same Apple ID everywhere, update the OS, and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, confirm you have enough iCloud storage, otherwise photos won't upload. Now open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and enable iCloud Photos. On Windows, install iCloud for Windows and turn on Photos. This starts the sync process and creates the cloud container that keeps your pictures consistent across devices. Next, control how images upload and what stays local. On iPhone, pick Optimize iPhone Storage to save device space, or download originals to keep full files on the device. Make that choice based on storage. On Mac, open Photos, go to Preferences, then iCloud, and enable iCloud Photos so the library uploads automatically. On Windows, add pictures to the iCloud Photos folder or import via the iCloud app. Make sure devices remain on Wi-Fi until the initial sync finishes so nothing is missed. Finally, verify completion by checking photos on each device and iCloud. To ensure everything matches. Once synced, manage storage by removing duplicates or moving large videos to an external backup if you hit limits, or upgrade your plan for more space. If something goes wrong, upload stalled or missing items, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, and toggle iCloud Photos off and on. Also check Apple system status for outages before deeper troubleshooting. This resolves many sync stalls quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.